Have you ever dreamed of owning a cozy cabin surrounded by nature? In this video, you'll see the complete process of building a beautiful cabin house using natural wood and stone. The project starts with preparing the land and creating a strong stone foundation. Carefully placed stones provide durability and blend perfectly with the natural surroundings. Next, skilled craftsmen assemble the timber frame. Large wooden beams are cut, shaped, and fitted together, slowly bringing the cabin to life. As construction continues, the walls, roof, doors, and windows are installed. The combination of warm wood and solid stone creates a timeless and rustic design. Inside, every detail is crafted for comfort and beauty. Large windows fill the space with natural light, while the stone fireplace adds warmth and character. After weeks of hard work and dedication, the cabin is finally complete. The result is a stunning retreat that perfectly combines traditional craftsmanship with modern comfort. Whether as a holiday getaway or a peaceful home in nature, this beautiful wood and stone cabin is truly inspiring. Enjoy the build, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing construction projects.